Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to use the 9th grade experience website in order to interact with us, send us messages, send us voicemails, and to get all the most up-to-date information on the show, including all the episodes and other show notes as well. So I'm doing this on an iPad today, so you'll get a chance to see what it would look like, but you can access this on a Chromebook, on a regular computer, a Windows computer, any computer. So I'm going to be using the Safari browser. You can use Google Chrome or whatever else you use. I'm going to open that up. You're going to do a search. You can do a Google search for 9th grade experience, or you can just go to 9thgradeexperience.com. I have my Google search up all ready to go. So I'm just going to click on 9th grade experience. And it's going to take us to the website for the podcast here. So if you're on an iPad, it'll give you the option to subscribe, or an iPhone. It'll give you the option to subscribe in Apple Podcasts at the top of the page. Definitely do that, because then you'll get the latest updates, the most recent episode that's released in audio form. You can see here on our website, there's lots of different options that you have to choose from. You can look at different episodes. We have over 70 episodes to choose from. If you want to search, you can just go to the magnifying glass if you're looking for a specific topic, whether you're looking for sports, whether you're looking for study skills, whether you're looking for our counselors, you would just go into the magnifying glass and take a look there. If you're interested in getting email updates from us to see when the newest episodes are coming up, you will put your first name and your school district email there, and you'll get an email every time that a new episode is released, so you can go on and log on and find it out. You'll see here on our webpage we have YouTube videos and links to the audio podcast as well. So all of our content has been available on YouTube for the past year and a half since we've kind of been recording through Zoom. If you go on the right-hand side of the page here, you can see all the different players that you can subscribe to the podcast on, which is like Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Google Podcasts, or you can just listen to it straight from our website here. So you'll see as we scroll down, you'll see lots of the episodes that we did at the end of last school year. There are education episodes or different categories there on the right-hand side of the page. But I think the neatest feature on the page is the little blue microphone that's in the bottom right-hand corner. No matter where you scroll on the page, it'll be there. When you click on the little blue microphone, it'll allow you to leave a voicemail for us. All you have to do is click start recording, and then it'll allow you to record a message of 2 minutes or less that we can then use on the podcast. If you want to give us some suggestions, if you're going to respond to a comment, whatever you want to do without coming on for a full episode. When you hit start recording, it'll ask for your name and your email address so we can identify you, but that's another great way to interact with the podcast there. So lots of great stuff here on the website. You can see all the different episodes that we had there in May, and we'll be releasing our new episodes coming soon here as we gear up for the 4th season of the podcast and a brand new school year as well. So we hope everyone is going to enjoy their 9th grade year or their 9th grade experience. Whoever is listening, thanks for tuning in, and hopefully you visit our website, subscribe to the podcast, and spread the word to all your friends and all the people that want to listen. Thanks a lot.